Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity again, coming at you with yet another project. This one's smaller and this one is controversial, I guess. I got a package in the mail and I'll go ahead and throw that in right here. Okay, well, we got another package. We interrupt this regularly scheduled program to open it. It says here, has a wooden plate with an address, do not cut open, which is covered in duct tape, and I think it's duct tape. It is from Poked by Toast, and it is a big box, so let's go ahead and start taking this apart. Still open. Dun dun dun! Anybody out there want me to go back to the stock headlights? Well, here it is. Dun dun dun! Yes! What else is in the box? We have a Honda Grom. It's okay, it's a Honda. It says Honda on it. I'll take it. Look, comes off, little tether. Dun dun dun, thank you. Oh, a stock belt. This is the best belts. And, oh, a trickle charger harness. That's good. That'll come in handy because I don't have that now. And I'll replace, a mirror. A side mirror. Bum bum bum. Awesome. Thanks, Poked by Toast, for this wonderful array of gifts, especially this. So you see, I talked about wanting to go back to the stock headlights. So lo and behold, a stock headlight shows up. Now it is literally stock. It has not been modified. There's a little rust on it, but I think that's what he was going for. He made a rat rod out of his Ruckus. So here it is. All right, here it is. It is a stock headlight assembly. It has all the wires and everything hooked up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the headlights out and then and kind of do an inspection on it, and then I'm gonna put it in a clamp, and I'm gonna grind these off. I'm debating whether I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it with spray paint and make it black, or if I'm going to go ahead and have them powder coated. Since I'm doing this project and I want to make this black, then I might end up setting both these two pieces to powder coating at the same time, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and take this first of all out of the sun into here. And then let's go ahead and take it apart real quick, take the headlights out. Alright, so things I didn't know about a stock Ruckus headlight. First of all, I did not know that this connects to the frame and it is adjustable. That seems like it would make sense. I thought maybe when you had the bulbs in here that they were adjustable tilt from in here, but no, the whole harness goes up. This looks like where the horn was, so more than likely I'm gonna cut that off and mount the horn up here on this bolt with it when it goes through. And I'm gonna cut these off right here, these buddy ears. They don't need to be there. There's the headlamps. My son put the screws back in here so I don't get them lost. And then I'm gonna go ahead and look for some LED bulbs that will go in there. So let's go ahead and move these things out of the way, and we can get to the clamp right there, and then we can get the grinder out and start to try to cut these, cut this off, and then cut this off, and then cut this off down here. Okay, so I have mounted it down. I have the ears right here, and I'm going to first kind of grind it off a little bit here, and then here, and then try to round it off as much as I can and make it smooth. And then later on I'll get this other tab here, right here. So let's take care of this first without burning ourselves up. Okay, I'm gonna save you from having to watch. I'm gonna grind it down to a good point, and I'm gonna show you my progress right now. Okay, so I think I rounded it off pretty good. I'm gonna need to get some heavier grit sandpaper and kind of smoothing that out. Hopefully it's a nice curve. I don't got too many pits or anything like that. The next thing I'm going to do after this cools off is I'm going to grind off that horn connector right there. But hopefully I did a good job. We'll see. Once I sand it down and do a little bit of manipulating on it, hopefully it looks good. Anyways, let's go ahead and I'll grind off that other part and I will show you my progress. Okay, well there's one side again. There's the other side. I don't know if it's in focus or not. I can't tell. It's so bright outside right now. There's the other side. I can sand that. I'm going to start sanding that. And then I got rid of that tab on the bottom. You probably don't even know where it was before. And then I'll sand the rest of it. And then since I shaved it already, I might as well sand the whole thing. And then I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint it black temporarily to keep it from rusting. Anyways, let me sand it down. And then I'll be right back when I get to paint. Okay, so I finished sanding the edges around and getting all the rust off. Now it's just a bunch of silvery colory stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a layer of black paint. I washed all the dirt off of it. Hopefully it's good enough, and we can go ahead and maybe put it back together. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do paint and let it dry for a day. Okay, it's blazing hot outside, so I'm gonna let that dry out in this blazing heat for about 30 minutes, drink a whole bunch of water, and then I'll be outside to do another layer. I'll save you of all the layers, and I'll get back with you when I have a finished product. Okay, so the piece is done, and I've been doing a few layers of paint. It is looking good. It is smooth. Not so much there, but you can see where I have gone around it. Okay, and this is the shaved off part, but I got it facing the wrong direction, but it looks pretty good. No more tab. And then right here, and then right here is the harness. I just sanded that. I decided to hang it from my above storage. So it is painted, it is been shaved and filed and everything, so it's, I want to put it together like now, but I don't want to mess up the paint. So I'm gonna wait until tomorrow morning, and then I'll go ahead and finish putting it back together for you guys. So I guess I'll make it a two-part episode. The second one, when I put it together, I'll also do the installation and go back to the stock headlights. That'll be proving a little bit more difficult than I probably think, because the problem is when they stuck all those ballasts for the LSD, for the LED lights, it was kind of a job, so it's all wire nutted and stuff. So I guess I can do some cleanup on the wiring then. But anyways, thank you for watching. Two-part series for the going back to stock. Going back to the stock headlights like everybody wants me to do. And I kind of agree, it looks cool. Someone mentioned it's iconic, so let's go back to that iconic look. Anyways, thank you, I'll see you next time.